Yeah, my name is Julia Roth. I'm teaching American Studies with a focus on gender studies at Bielefeld University, and I'm also the current director of the Center for Inter-American Studies. And my research focuses on gender and feminist approaches. I have, for instance, worked on the concept of intersectionality, which is sort of an attempt to address different forms of inequality that are related, like racism and sexism. I have worked also on hip-hop and life writing, and recently on gender and right-wing populism, and on global contestations of women's and gender rights, how equality is being currently attacked in many places, and on citizenship and gender as categories in a global perspective of inequality. I regularly teach post-colonial approaches and decolonial perspectives, introduction to different approaches to gender theory and feminist thinking. I also have taught on the Caribbean as a concept of transcultural processes, migratory literature, and also life writing, particularly narrating enslavement, how slavery has been represented and depicted in literature and art. And I enjoyed very much when students bring in their perspectives. In Inter-American Studies, we usually have students from a variety of contexts, and if they relate to the course context from their positions and relating to what they bring in, that's always enriching. Well, outside the ivory tower of the academy, it is very, very important for me to also communicate with other sort of contexts in society. So I regularly participate and give talks for NGOs or other civic actors. Recently, for example, Seebrücke, who are active to fight for secure migratory routes in the Mediterranean. And I also organize on a regular basis cultural political events. Last year, for instance, one on hip-hop and social transformation with artists and actors from different fields. So that's an important point. Well, and in my free time, I'm a passionate flamenco dancer.